Very good morning to one and all, respected principal sir, deans, head of departments, faculty member, and my dear participants. I, Professor Sangram Dandge, on behalf of Yudharba Youth Welfare Society, Professor Ram Meghe, Institute of Technology Research, Bandera. It is my privilege to extend a very warm welcome to all on this inaugural function of AICT IST approved 1 week online short-term training program organized by Department of Computer Science Engineering, PRMITR Badnera, in association with Research Promotion Cell, PRMITR Badnera Amravati, and Computer Society of India Amravati chapter. We are very fortunate to welcome the speaker of our STTP, Dr. S.V. Bansod, Dr. Mrs. M.A. Pradhan, Dr. M.S. Ali, Dr. Ms. Harshalata Petkar, Dr. P.M. Javandia, Dr. J.R. Bamnote, Dr. S.P. Bodkhe, Dr. M.P. Khede, Dr. S.V. Dudul, Dr. N.V. Thakur. Thank you all for being with us. On 9th August 2019, the UGC approved 2 credit courses for awareness about the publication ethics and publication misconduct, that is research and publication ethics, and it is made compulsory for all PhD students for pre-registration coursework. So to create awareness among PhD researchers for all disciplines, our department is organized this STTP. The objective of this STTP are to make aware the participant about integrity ethics with respect to science and engineering research, publication plagiarism ethics, intellectual honesty and research integrity, scientific misconduct, selective reporting and mispresentation of data, use of plagiarism, software and open source tool, and indexing, citation database and matrices. Thank you all and welcome to this STTP. Now I request STTP convener Dr. G.R. Bamnote, Professor and Head of Department of Computer Science Engineering, to give brief introduction about STTP. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, everybody. Respected principal sir, invited speakers, guests, distinguished participants throughout the nation, coordinators of this STTP, online STTP, Dr. S.R. Gupta, Professor Sangram Dandge. I welcome you all. It is my immense pleasure to welcome you all for this IST AICT approved 1 week online short-term training program on research and publication ethics, which is organized from today to 3rd July 2020. It is organized in association with Research Promotion Cell of our institute, PRMITR Badnera Amravati, and Computer Society of India, CSI Amravati chapter. In this virtual STTP, in the conference room, I recognize some familiar names of participants who are participating. I am happy to see them all here. I am equally happy to see many participants from different states, different parts of the country. I welcome you all for this virtual STTP as a convener of the STTP. I am thankful to IST for the approval of this online STTP and our honorable management and our honorable principal sir for permitting us to conduct this STTP, CSI Amravati chapter and our institute research promotion cell for collaborating in this STTP. For the knowledge of all the participants, they are from different states from different parts of the country. Let me tell that this institute of Vidarbha Youth Welfare Society, Professor Ram Meghe Institute of Technology and Research, Badnera, was established in 1983. And this was the first engineering college to start PG courses right in 1995 in Maharashtra. There are more than 55 PhD faculty in the college, as well as we have a research lab for all the departments, which is approved by our affiliating university, Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati, Maharashtra. Dear colleagues, we all understand that it is important to understand the importance of publication and research ethics. With this objective, the STTP is organized online in the time of COVID-19 pandemic. As Sangram sir, he told what will be covered. You have the leaflet, the brochure, what will be covered throughout, and Sangram sir has already mentioned the names of the distinguished speakers who will be talking, taking sessions throughout the STTP. So ladies and gentlemen, I believe that participating in this online STTP, you are in right place and at the right time. So together, let us accelerate the exchange of ideas, scaling up good practices in research. I wish you all a very successful learning throughout the STTP. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Over to Sangram sir.